Hi, my name is Katie and I'm a travel agent. I specialize in Disney and theme park vacations, but I can help you travel anywhere. And today we are taking a look at Sandals Royal Bahamian Resort in Nassau, Bahamas. This is an all-inclusive, adults-only, 5-star luxury resort. And in this video, we will be taking an in-depth room tour of the room that I stayed in, an East Bay Premium luxury level room during my recent stay in April of 2023. If you're interested in a full resort tour as well as a review of my entire stay, I have a video with that as well, and I have linked it above. Without further ado, let's get into this room tour. I will start by noting that this room is located in the East Bay Village portion of the resort. All right, let's check out this room. So I'm standing right by the entrance door, and that is the whole main part of the room here. Here's the entrance. You do have a thermostat as well as a carbon monoxide detector right here. As you can see, we've got 2 nightstands and the king-size bed. Got a plug in the lamp. I do like that. Phone here. And plug with USB on this side. We've got 3 drawers. 4 drawers in each nightstand. Nice underbed storage. So you could definitely put your suitcases under there. It's got some artwork above the bed. Over here we've got the same nightstand. You do have a clock and an alarm clock here. More USBs, plugs. You can set your alarm there. Cute little beachy lamps. And here is a look at that. Nice bed area. Okay, now looking from the bed, you got a lovely view of the outside there from the bed. You've got the TV. This is a Juliet balcony, so this does open. This window opens as well, I'll show you that. And this dresser here. Got 6 large drawers, so lots of storage space here. Here's the TV, and there are some movie options as well as you can interact with the TV and you can see what is going on during the day. So not only is this a TV, you can also get some hotel information. I'll show you the activities for the day. All that good stuff. So that is really helpful for that to be on the TV. We've also got a bench here with some storage underneath, then a nice little seated bench. Window, this window does open. And we've got a sheer curtain and a blackout shade pretty much on this whole wall. So you can fully sheer or black out the curtains as you would like. Now on the other side of the bed here, we have a little seating area. We've got 2 chairs and a little table. So if you've brought some food back to the room or something, that is a good spot that you can eat there. Got a really nice big beach painting there and another lamp. I do like how they have some large artwork here because you cannot see the ocean from this room. It's nice to have that. Now let's go here into the restroom. All right, this is actually a pretty sizable restroom for the size of this room. I'm impressed by the size of the restroom. So you've got the commode, the shower here, and I like the shower. It's very nice tile work. Got the bench there, little tub, and a nice shower head. Pivoting over here, you've got a single sink, some storage space under here. We've got a hair dryer, towels, and then your Red Lane spa amenities. Ooh, a probiotic lotion. I did not even know that was a kind of lotion. Shampoo, conditioner, body cleanser, as well as a bar of soap. dish for the bar of soap. I like when they have that. Tissues, glasses. We've got a lighted mirror. We've got the lighted makeup mirror and the full length mirror as well. So this bathroom's got everything you need in it. Walking out of the bathroom, head over to the other side of the room, and that's where you're gonna find the closet as well as the minibar. So everything in this minibar is complimentary because Sandals is truly all-inclusive. This is a luxury level room, so you do not have hard liquor in the minibar as you would in a club level or butler level room, but you do have lots of water bottles. We've got soft drinks, some juices, mixers. There is wine and beer, and you can have this refilled. Some additional wine up here. And of course you can head downstairs to the bar and get any drink that you want. We've also got a pretty much a tea kettle and a coffee maker here. And the coffee we have is Jamaican Blue Mountain, Sandals branded there, Coffee Traders coffee brand. Got all the coffee fixins as well as glasses, stirs, wine glasses. And we've got some various Lipton teas as the tea selection. That is the minibar. Now opening up the closet, plenty of closet space. We've got extra pillow and blankets, and there is an iron, and that's hiding over here. There's also a trash can over here. Now we do have a safe. This is a nice, sizable safe. Absolutely can fit both your laptops in there. We've got a large umbrella, which is helpful on rainy days like today. Laundry bag option if you want to do that. Hangers. And then this closet goes pretty far back in here. We've got a luggage rack, ironing board, shelf space. So I think between all the drawers and this closet, you absolutely have plenty of storage space in this room. And turning back around, here is the view of the bedroom from this angle. And I'm gonna give you a peek at what the view out these windows is. All right, now here's the large window. This does open, and excuse the raininess, but we've got a little bit of view of the pool here. Now over on the other side, we have the Juliet balcony here. Very similar view, it's only a few feet away. And you've got some palm trees, the resort, the pool. So very nice to get some air in here. An easy open, easy close on this. After spending 4 nights in this room, here's my review. I think that this room is great if you want to get to a Sandals resort at the lowest price point possible. This room is perfectly adequate. It's comfortable, it's clean, it has enough storage space for your belongings. It has features like that safe as well as that mini bar. So you are going to be perfectly happy in this room if you're not looking for something a little more grand. If you're looking for something more grand, something with a lot more breathing room, I would look at upgrading to a club level room. Same would go if you are looking for something with more of a view. Something to keep in mind is that even within room categories, you're going to have slight differences within the actual physical room that you're in. So this might not be an exact representation of every room in this room category. I will say this room was in a corner, so I feel that it might be a little bit smaller than some of the other rooms in this same category. I strongly recommend heading over to my video that tours the entire Sandals Royal Bahamian Resort and taking a look at everything that this resort has to offer, because the biggest perk, again, of this room is that you're on property and you have access to everything that everyone else does in all of the higher room categories. If you are interested in a stay at Sandals Royal Bahamian, any Sandals property, or other all-inclusive resorts, other vacations, anything, I would love to be your travel agent. Go ahead and send me an email and we can start talking today about your next adventure. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe and please hit that like button. Thank you so much for watching. Have a magical rest of your day.